Good morning, children. We start our day with the prayer. Dear God, I am thankful for all you have given, for food, for love, a place to live. I thank you for my family too. Lord, bless and protect everyone that seeks you, needs you, and believes in you. Thank you, God. Children, have you visited the garden? With whom did you go in the garden? What did you see there? Swings, seesaw, sliders, grass, birds, butterflies, trees, etc. What do you get from the tree? Trees give us fruits like mango. Trees give us shadow. In our pulse book, on page number 38, topic is bees on a tree. Look at this picture. We can see many things in this picture like trees, children, bees, sheep, grass, etc. Let's read the lesson. We are in the garden. It has a tall trees. It has small trees. There are bees on a tree. There is a sheep near the tree. Little sheep, do not weep. Run away, little sheep. We are in the garden. It has tall trees. It has small trees. There are bees on a tree. There is a sheep near the tree. Little sheep, do not weep. Run away, little sheep. On page number 39, enrichment activity. Find the words that sound the same. Color the patches in the same color. Children, there are many colors we can see in this picture. We are going to color the words that sound the same. Mat, bat. Here A stands for egg. Here A stands for egg. The same sound of mat is bat. Blue color patches already given for you. Nut, hut. Color it with pink. The sound of nut and the same sound of nut is hut. We have to color pink to this page. Nut, hut. Then nod. Which word has same sound? Nod, road. Color it with yellow. Sip, tip. Pin, tin. Hop, top. Bell, well. Bag, rag. Jog, fog. Net, pet. Children, You have to color that sound the same. Worksheet 15. Page number 15. Circle the correct words. There are many pictures here. Let's find correct words. What is this, children? Yes, this is a pen. Let's find the word pen. P-E-N, pen. We are going to circle on correct word of pen. Egg. This is an egg. Where is the word egg? E-Y-E, egg? No. E-E-L, egg? No. E-G-G, egg? Yes. We are going to circle on correct word of an egg. Hat. Whose hat is this, children? Yes, your father also having hat like this. H-A-T, hat. Tap. A drop of water coming out from the tap. We must close the tap. T-A-P, tap. We are going to circle on correct word of tap. Bell. Your mother must sing a song. Bell. Ding dong bell. Did you know the song of Ding dong bell? Yes. Spelling of bell is B-E-double-L. B-E-L-L. Bell. Bag. You all are having your school bag, yes? Spelling of bag is B-A-G. B-A-G is the correct word. Car. It's very easy. C-A-R, car. Well. How do you spell it? V-E-L-L, V-A-L-L, V-E-B. Yes, V-E-L-L, well. Worksheet 16. Page number 16. Circle the correct words. What is this, children? Which picture of this? Yes, this is a jar. Correct word of jar is J-A-R, jar. Let's do circle on J-A-R, jar. Bat. Did you have bat, children? Which game do you play with bat? Yes, cricket. Correct spelling of bat is M-A-T, bat? No. B-A-T, bat. We are going to do circle on correct word of bat. Bell. Did you know the song of bell? I hear thunder, I hear thunder, Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding dong bell, ding dong bell. Yes, that bell is this. How did you spell it? B-E-L-L, bell. Shell. How did you spell it? S-H-E-L-L, shell. 10. 1 and 0. 10. Number 10. It's very easy. T-E-N. 10. Worksheet 17. Page number 17. Join the dots, color the picture. Children, what is this? Yes, this is a balloon. In this balloon, There are many patterns are given here, like standing line, curve line, slanting line, wavy line, zigzag line and circle line. You have to join the dots and color it. Practice the strokes. Hold your pencil from here. You have to continue join these all dots without removing your pencil. Continue, children. Same way you have to practice here also. In a notebook, there are words. Many words are given here related to this lesson. 21. Date is 21 of September 2020. 21/09/2020. Words. PEN, pen. Children, you have to write PEN, pen in your notebook. EGG, egg. EGG, egg. Hat. HAT, hat. Children, you have to say and write correct words. TAP, tap. TAP, tap. These two lines you have to write yourself. Bell. BELL, bell. Bag. BAG, bag. Car. CAR, car. Well. WELL, well. Bye children, take care.